Hi, Purse Nurse here. So today, it's been a minute since I've done a video, but today's really a good day to do one. So my kids and the boyfriend, Tim, surprised me, and I woke up to all of this. I don't know if you guys can see it, because tomorrow is my birthday. So what we're gonna do is follow the instructions. It says open, so we're opening it. So I have no clue what's in here, and so this is a complete surprise. It's a one-take shot, so forgive me if it's rough, but it's gonna be fun. All right, so there's that. Okay, we got a brown box, y'all. Alright, so that's done. Alright, then I've got some scissors. Gonna open this up. There. Okay. Pop, pop. Some blue paper in there. I don't know why I'm really nervous right now. Normally I do these videos and I know about the purse, at least what's in the box. Maybe not have seen it before, but at least I know what's in it, and I have no clue what's in here. Oh look, there's more instructions, y'all. It says keep going. So we're gonna do that. And then got some tissue paper. We're gonna put the other box over here. Okay, so now we have this one. This is the keep going box. So, and you know what I think I'm gonna do? Is I'm gonna let you guys see it first, and then I'll see it. So, and they put it in a Funko box. You guys see that? Funko. We have probably, I don't know, 200, 300 Funkos upstairs, so if anybody's interested or their husband likes them, let me know. Okay, so now we're gonna cut this box open. I don't know why I did this. Was it Christmas or birthdays that I like wrapped y'all's presents in probably like 6 or 7 boxes? Christmas. Yeah, they got presents wrapped in 7 boxes. It was fun. They were huge. So, okay. It gets better. So we'll put that there. Okay. So, almost there. Stick with me, guys. Stick with me. Don't worry. The suspense is killing me too. It's orange. That's always good. So let's see what we got in here. What do you guys think? What are we voting on? Comments. Put it in the comments what you think it is, okay? So let's go ahead and open. Okay. There's another box in there, guys. But it's even better. It's blue. Okay. And then it says psych. So let's see. Okay. It says psych again. It says look under the table and in the magic store. Okay, so we got orange box, blue box, which we all know, okay? So, all right, so I'm gonna disappear for a minute because there is a nook under our table. So hang on. All right. Oh, and there's yet again another box. Okay, put that there, that there.
Is there a note?
Huh?
Is there a note?
There? Oh, okay. Okay. It says, okay, we're ready. We're for real this time. Guys, we can't trust anything these young children in this cohort say, because they're tricky. All right, I'm just letting you know. I live with this on a daily basis. There's some sneakiness going on here. Probably like 16 more boxes in this thing. All right, so here we go. All right, you guys see it? And then it's got streamers all You got it? So I'm going to cut one thing off before I try to, well, I'll just fade it out in the edit. Let's see here. Get it open. The struggle wheel. Put that in there so I don't get a piece. All right. Okay, hey, look. It's another box. Ah!
Where's it from?
I don't know. It says security tape. I took off the address label because I didn't want to look at it.
Look on there and see what it says.
I'm gonna look on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, look on it.
Me to look on it? Okay. Hold on, everybody. It says from New York, New York. See what it.
Okay, just open it.
What
Yeah.
address?
737 Madison Avenue. Alright, so are you ready? I am. I'm very gentle right now. Just the tape. Okay, y'all ready? I'm very nervous right now. You got me shaking. It's got me shaking.
I know, it's another box.
So, any of you who know what 737 Madison Avenue is, and if you're watching this video, God, I hope you do know what that is. Because as soon as I read it, I was like, I know what that address is, but it might be a trick because there was 18 boxes before this one. But, no, this was not a trick. See this? I don't know if you guys can see that. But that is a Chanel paper. Hold on. Wait, it gets better. That's a Chanel box. I don't know what's in here. What's in here? Huh? They tricky. They tricky. Okay. What's in the box, honey? What's in the box?
No clue.
Okay.
Actually.
Bubble wrap. As you guys can see, this is sealed bubble wrap. There's no way that I could have gotten this off. This, you guys are seeing raw opening footage. So we have the card with from Chanel. It has the receipt in here. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to tear the bubble wrap. It's perforated. Okay. You guys can all see we have our Chanel flower. All right, and now, I don't know if you guys can see it, I'm shaking. So, I'm really nervous. Okay. 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 Whoa.
Okay, you're giving them more suspense than
I
me.
know. You guys want to see this? Chanel packet. You guys all see? It's fantastic. All right, are we ready? Really? Okay, tags are still on it, guys. So. So Tim is standing behind them.
CoCo Chanel handles gloss.
So he wrote the name on it because I don't know what the name is. I would have to research it. So it's the CoCo Chanel handle in small. It's so black hardware. Can you guys see it? He is standing behind them. So that's why I keep looking behind the kids because they're behind the camera and he is behind them. Do you guys see this bag? This is amazing. Where are my scissors? I gotta get this stuff off and show you guys more. Okay. So let's look at the inside. This craziness man over here. So we got, now, I don't know about you guys, but I actually love to keep the fluff that goes inside of them so my bags keep their shape. It looks like there's 2 pockets in here. You guys can see. Isn't this amazing? And it's got feet. I'm so happy right now. And it's a chevron pattern, which I love. So, Oh, I'm gonna pull it out. It's actually wrapped in here. So, let's see here. So I hope that wasn't too much torture for everybody, because I think that the result was very well worth it. Very, very well worth it. So you have a black chain here that actually looks like it attaches. So I will post a more detailed video of this bag because it is too good to not have some more knowledge about it to play with it. So strap, which I love the black chain strap. The black on black is actually my favorite. Everybody loves the gold on black. I love black on black. It just is too much fun. So, you guys, this is probably one of the best birthday presents ever. I am super happy for this bag, and I'm super happy that I was able to share it with everybody. So, keep quarantining, keep being safe, wear your mask when you go outside, and this is Purse Nurse. Thanks guys for watching. Bye!